Hey guys, guess what? Our vlog is kicking off. JoJo's here.
Hi everyone.
We're gonna vlog all week, so like and subscribe. And yes, I will link her information down below, Instagram and YouTube. Go follow her, subscribe to her. So we're eating, having a sangria.
Yes, it's so good. Like the best. I miss this.
Yeah, we've had a crazy night. You'll hear about that later.
You'll hear about that later, yeah.
Lord, child. Okay. Wings, barbecue sauce, fries, you know how we do, them with water, and yes, with extra. Oh, extra. Oh, was it champagne?
It's already open for the champagne.
For her. Oh my god, almost spilled it. But yes, so we'll be catching up with you in a minute. So we're at Macy's, you guys. This is day 2.
Morel City Mall.
Morel City Mall.
Hey, how you doing? Michaela Rios' channel.
So, yeah, we're in Macy's right now.
Yeah.
First stop.
The mall, and we're like looking at all this cute stuff.
Alfani, DKNY, and Ink is killing it.
Calvin Klein, what? Like, I can't even take it. Like, this is some good stuff. Like show these sweaters. Like, look at this.
Yeah, you guys, look at all this stuff. So you can see that.
Look at the price though, like $80. That's what kills us.
Yeah, like, we need sugar daddies. No, I was kidding.
We look so good. Oh my god. I live.
Selfies to come. Instagram, check it.
Yes, check the photos on Instagram. Like, oh my god.
We're serving fish.
We're gonna be so many stores today. We're gonna vlog like so much stuff.
Yeah,
like,
we're going to Bath and Body Works.
Disney,
Torrid, Disney.
Bath and Body Works,
so get ready
of
for
course.
this.
Yes.
This might have to be its own vlog, honestly. It's so big, yeah.
And the Christmas stuff is already out.
Yeah,
like,
you guys, have you seen the Christmas stuff? Like, look around here, you guys.
It's so pretty.
Like, it's gorgeous. And hopefully in the mall, or we're going to vlog the mall decorations if there are Christmas stuff. It probably is if it's in here. I'm sure the mall has. I want the trees up yet. I don't know. I don't know if they look the same.
So we both have Thirsty. Well, you have the Thirsty palette.
Thirsty
I have
palette,
Thirsty.
some Thirsty and Conspiracy, right?
Yeah, some Conspiracy, some Thirsty. She let me borrow the Thirsty. Thank God, her Thirsty palette.
Yes.
And it's pretty. It's similar, but they're two different looks. But
it's similar.
Oh
hers is more gold, mine's yellow, but it's both coral on the crease. And
wow, I love.
Peach price tag and prigs for the lips, and yours is mannequin and
then beaded glass. Beaded glass. All Jeffree Star, baby. That's right. We're full of stars. Alright. Oh my god.
What? Okay, you guys, we're at Sephora now. Yes. And I'm getting some eyeliners from Kat Von D. Well, KVD. Yeah. Sorry, Jeffree.
Yeah, we're here. We were just saying Jeffree Star Cosmetics needs to be up in here. I'm looking around. It's like Lily Candelana. Like, I have everything here. Like, skincare, makeup, perfume. I have the Gucci, like, what? Like that Gucci floral?
You need to get that for Christmas.
Oh my god, I need that. I need to ask Santa for this.
Yes. Santa, you hear me? Yes.
That's right, Santa. Where are you?
You watching?
Yes. Come, yes. So, and then I have like 500, like, 3,000 points on my Sephora card, my Roge member, so I might go to the front stand at the cashier and, you know, get some goodies. You know, who knows? We'll see what happens. So yeah, we're in Sephora, and Starbucks is right next door.
Yeah,
so we get my pink drink.
We're getting a pink drink for her, and let me just show you the look around there, like, so you can see everything.
They're one of the best Sephoras I've ever been in. It's so big.
Yes, that's Sephora, baby. Yes.
This small Sephora is like one of my favorites. I mean, we only went into 2 stores. Like
the Macy's is oh my god, we saw the Macy's, yeah, but.
Girl, I can't wait for Bath and Body Works. That's next, baby. That's
we're gonna
next
vlog
stop.
there next, so get ready. We can vlog our pink drink, honey.
They got some Christmas stuff in there. You'll see.
Oh my god.
Coming up.
Yes, stay tuned, baby. Yeah. We're taking over Bath and Body Works at
That's where we are. Bath and Body Works. The best time of the year. The best place ever. With the 2 best, my best forever. Oh my god, it's like triple the best, triple threat.
Yeah.
Look at this. Like, look at this.
We have the staples, vanilla bean, winter honey apple. Then, you guys, this sugar snickerdoodle smells so good. It smells like Christmas buttery cookies.
Oh my god.
This is not a repackage.
It's not.
The small one.
Oh, okay.
I only have the hope, and I believe the piece right here.
So good.
Yes. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Yeah, the nice little woman was helping us out. Oh my god.
This is not a repackage of Christmas sprinkles.
No, it's not.
Oh, champagne sprinkles.
Champagne sprinkles, it's not. It's a lot of champagne, a little berry, really sweet. but it's nice. There's no frosting. Like the other one in the summer had frosting in it. This one has no like vanilla.
Get this
frosting.
and get the
So
snickerdoodle. Get everything.
That smell like literally cinnamon sugar cookies. I mean, I can't even take it. And Pure One just smell like peaches and cream.
Yeah, that
I
one
mean,
smells good.
come to Bath and Body Works ASAP. Your nearest Bath and Body Works.
I'm gonna review everything and haul everything next week for you guys. Okay,
Please, yes, no, me too.
Yeah,
I'm
and her
gonna-
too on
I'm
her
gonna get
channel.
some- yeah, I'm getting.
Link below.
We're getting. Look,
Link below. We're gonna
big
go
bag.
ham.
It's gonna be filled up, baby.
We're gonna go ham. Yes. This one's live on camera. What does this smell like?
Yeah.
We have here, hold this for me so we can do a live smell
Yeah.
test. This is it's called winter peach marshmallow. Let's just do a lip.
Oh, this one I was excited for too.
Is it good?
Mmm. This one actually smells like peaches and cream. Oh wow.
I'm gonna have to get all of it next week.
That's like fresh, fruity, and like sweet too. I like that.
That smells good.
That is cute. All right, I'll be seeing you.
We'll be all seeing all of you guys next week, honey, on our hauls. Yes.
Wait, all of this is gonna be in our bags, honey, real soon.
Yes. This lip gloss.
Yes.
My lip gloss is.
The glitter under the lights. It's shining bright. Yes. Oh my god, this is like a dreamland. It's like a fairy dreamland. This is a fairy dreamland. Like this is where dreams are made of.
Yeah, it's like Hillary. What's her name? Hillary.
Hilary Duff is singing in the choir in the
This
background
is what
right now.
dreams are made of.
I can hear the song, I can hear
Hey
it.
now, hey now.
Ah,
This is what dreams
yes.
are made of.
Oh my god, it's
With
so
JoJo
cute.
and Michaela.
That's right. Oh my god. I can't wait to do more. I can't. Like we're gonna be. We just got in the store, by the way. We haven't even like scratched the surface. We just got in the store. I can't wait.
Decorations up and everything. It's fabulous.
Oh my god, I can't wait. It's taking my breath away, girl.
Mwah. Hey guys, so we just went on this carousel ride. It was so much fun. We took pictures on my Instagram link below. JoJo's charging her phone over there. Yes, say hi. Yes, so we're doing that, but I want to show you this carousel. It's so pretty. It's so fabulous. Isn't it fun? We're having a good time at the mall and having a good time. My fall eyeshadows, I love it. Yeah. Hey guys. Yes, we're toured. JoJo got a shirt.
Yes, let me show you that one.
She's gonna haul that for you guys.
Little haul right here in the middle of the store.
A little mini haul, and then of course go to our channel later to haul it again, I'm sure. But yes, isn't that cute?
Look how cute this is. Double zero, medium to large 10. It's so cute.
Oh, yeah.
I love this. This is like so flowy and perfect for
Yes.
like any weather really. It's soft. Oh, it feels like butter. I wish you guys could feel this. It feels so good.
So nice.
I had to get half off, 50% off the entire
Yeah,
store.
there's not definitely like Black Friday savings already.
Crazy nice.
It's nuts. So yeah, we're just hanging out. We're going to Target next, and then we're going to Cheesecake Factory. We're going to bring you guys
I
along.
got some
Yes, Bath and Body Works with travel size.
travel size. These are cute. I love these.
These are so
Perfect for
adorable.
traveling on.
With stocking stuffers and everything.
Yes.
So you see you guys at Target.
Bye guys. See you
Love you.
soon.
See ya. Okay, we're at Cheesecake Factory with JoJo. It's kind of dark in here. Look at her drink. It's so
I love
good.
it. Honestly, like the best one I've ordered so far. It's so good. Like, oh my god, it's like heaven. It really is. I gotta wait for it to melt a little bit
Nice
so I
and
can
sweet.
drink it, but it's like an icy, a peachy icy. It's so good. It's so sweet. So sweet and fruity. Like I'm posting about it right now.
Yes. Go check our story out on Instagram.
Yes, check me out.
Link below. Yes. So good. We're having bread. I have my water and lemon. We're gonna wait. I ordered a burger. She ordered a teriyaki wrap.
Yeah, the lettuce
wrap.
Thai wraps.
So we're gonna vlog the food in a minute. Yummy. Okay, our food got here. The fries, the burger.
Yeah.
Some of her drink is drink. She got the wraps. Yes. We're ready to go. Yes, honey.
Can't
Yes.
wait.
We are hungry and we're gonna dig in 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Yes, honey. Yes.